Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to sum a column in LibreOffice. So let's have a look now. At first, open the file you want to work on. Now click on the cells you want the sum result. Click on the apex from the right side of your screen. Click on Sum. Click twice. Now select the column and press Enter. So there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.